Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into the MyBoston Student Portal. This portal is essential for accessing important information related to your studies, grades, and other academic resources at Boston. Step 1. Open your web browser. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you are comfortable with. Step 2. Visit the MyBoston login page. In the address bar, type the URL portal.myboston.co.za and press Enter. This will take you directly to the MyBoston Student Portal login page. Step 3. Enter your credentials. On the login page, you will see fields to enter your username and password. Username. This is typically your student email address or a unique ID assigned to you by the institution. Password. Enter the password you previously set up. If you are logging in for the first time, you may need to use the default password provided by your institution. Step 4. Click on the Login button. After entering your credentials, look for the Login button, usually located below the fields. Click this button to proceed. Step 5. Password recovery, if needed. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link on the login page. Click it and follow the prompts to reset your password using your registered email address. Step 6. Navigate the portal. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the portal layout. You will find sections for your courses, grades, announcements, and more. Make sure to check for any notifications that might be relevant. Step 7. Log out after use. When you finish using the portal, it is important to log out, especially if you are on a public computer. Look for the Log Out option in the menu. That's it. You are now successfully logged into the MyBoston Student Portal. We hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.